Good evening. My name is BJ Mayer. Actually go by Bradley Mayer on the classes. I currently teach 7th grade math, mostly pre-algebra 7, in the Iowa City Community School District. I also teach at Northwest Junior High in Iowa City. I am also the head girls basketball coach at Iowa City West. I'm on numerous committees, including the instructional leadership team, also the MTSS committee, and I try to do things to build relationships with students and staff. I am originally from Osage, Iowa. I went to the University of Northern Iowa as an undergrad student. I grew up in a family of educators. My dad was a teacher, PE teacher, and coached baseball and basketball. My mom was the secretary in the elementary school. My wife is actually a teacher, was a teacher in this district in Iowa City. She is currently the assistant principal in our new online learning program, which has students from our district and surrounding districts taking classes online, so because of the pandemic and because of other hardships that they may face. I have two boys, Braden and Luke. Luke is a junior and is into lots of different sports. Braden is also a freshman and is also into sports as well. In 5 years, I hope to be doing my dream job, which would be the activities director or the athletic director at my current high school, Iowa City West. I have coached numerous things in my career, and I feel that I have a good grasp of kind of how things work, and I would love to be able to do that. I also could see myself as potentially an assistant principal at one of the junior highs, and then a junior high athletic director as well. One of the things that I think was my biggest takeaway from the profession that I'm in is one of the things that I really try to do is I try to build relationships with students, staff, parents, all different kinds of things. And for me, having former students, players come back, send me emails, send me texts, be on social media and just touch base with me, that to me is one of the best things that you can ever get. You don't do it because of the pay, you do it because of the kids. And when they come back, when they just stop in and say hi, when they send you that message, I don't think there's anything that is greater than that as a teacher and a coach. Finally, for me, with the letter to the new principal, I had a couple different takeaways. The first takeaway that I had was you got to be yourself. You can't be a fake. People see through that. They know when you're not genuine. So one of the things that you obviously have to do is to build those relationships with those people. And by being yourself, I feel that you can do that. The second part that really hit home is to just be visible. And that to me resonated with, being visible not only in the classroom, but in the tough areas of your school. Those students and staff, they need to see you, and they need to know that you're in this with them. And you can't just basically, be stuck in your office. You got to be out there fighting the good fight. And I know that many principals have many things on their plate, but in my opinion, being visible to staff and students and then building those relationships is a huge thing. I look forward to working with all of you in this class and hopefully learn from you and more about you. If there's anything I can do to help, please let me know. Have a great night, and I look forward to working with you.